Package from China.
Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to test out the retro game from Datafrog. I like to point out that sent me this one for a sample so I can check it out and show you guys what are we going to get, but it doesn't influence my personal opinion. Alright, what are we going to get within this package? It comes with a USB cable for charging up and data transfer. We got here an AV out cable. We have here a color manual, not a piece of toilet paper manual this time, but with some basic explanations. The system itself, of course. We're going to take a close look at it later. And a very nice, high quality box. So if you are into collecting boxes, really nice. Alright, let's take a close look at the system itself. The first thing I'm noticing is that it's quite heavy. So I really love it because it makes this thing feel a little bit of a quality product. The D-pad itself is really nice, I really love it, because I know in the comments a lot of people were asking about the D-pad. Yes, it's very, very nice. Yeah, the buttons feels very nice, very good response. What can we find at the bottom? Here we have for your headphone reset, and this is something I'd like to point out. This is an, let's say a converter from the GBA to the CF card, but you cannot play Game Boy Advance games, so that's a big bummer. At the back we are finding the battery. It's an old school Nokia, so if you need to replace it, you can buy it for a couple of dollars. Volume control. This is the extern or the link cable. It's connected to the PCB board, and yeah, I never tried it because I don't own the cable for linking in Game Boy Advance. So if you do, leave it in the comments. I really love to know. AV out, brightness control, and here we got the USB for charging and data transfer. And the shoulder buttons are very responsive. Alright, let's do some gameplay. Before we're going to do some gameplay, let's take a closer look. What are we going to get? The menu is very basic. You can listen to music, watch a pretty picture. Ooh. We've got a very nice, very in a swing. But what you can see here is that the screen is very colorful and vibrant. The view angle is not the best, but for this it will do. Alright, let's choose a game. Alright, these are the systems that are supported: CPS, Neo Geo, GBA, SVC, or Super Famicom, Mega Drive. So as you can see, we got a big support of systems. Alright, that's really nice. Alright, let's choose some games. First we're going to test out a maybe game, or a CPS game. Listen to the soundtrack. Oh yeah. And this is something that is very important to point out. If you're pressing the buttons to go back to the main menu, as you can see, you can put the buttons on a different position if you don't like them, or you can just instant archive. So this means you can quick load, quick save every system you have on this. So that's pretty damn awesome, don't you think? And as you can see, it works fine. Ow. Only the buttons are not mapped correctly. Or, oh, here's my heavy. Oh. Alright, let's see if they fixed the problem with the sound. Nope.
Ah, my ears bleed.
Do 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 do. Right. Oh, that's how you grab it. So for the final conclusion about this portable system, yep, it's a really nice product, but there are some things or some little problems. For example, the Mario Kart on the Game Boy Advance is not running like it should be. The music is really horrible and still got a problem like a lot of systems. The Super Nintendo lacks of frame drops and it's still playable, but not the experience you really want to have with these games. And yeah, of course there are a lot of great things. Sonic or the Mega Drive is running great, Master System, Game Gear, not bad at all. But yeah, keep in mind it's not perfect in many ways. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.